morning from the Cotswolds. It has been a bit of a wet ride, but we're heading to the Cotswold View Caravan and Camping Park. And I couldn't get my teeth around that. Back to look at the pumpkins.
Where am I parking? Where am I parking? Right next to it,
not opposite it. Yeah, we'll get on it. It's getting off we're worried about.
Well, we've arrived on site at the Cotswold campsite and it is thunder and lightning and rain, and check this out. Oh. The kids have still found a table tennis table that's undercover though, and they're playing table tennis somewhere. We've had bacon butties, awesome. And we're pitched up next to Russell, who's here for the week, I must add. So, hey, look at this. There's a great tent over there with a bell tent with a chimney coming out the top. See that? I'll try and get a look in there later, but certainly I'm going to take you for a tour of the campsite once that rain stops. They've got these cute camping pods here. You've seen these on several sites, I'm sure, before. They're not big. This one's open, look, and have a look in here. Not very big, but ample. That'd do for a weekend or something, for a small family. And they've got a barn here with table tennis in it. Nice table tennis table. And being in the barn, it's ideal when it's raining and wet outside. Kids can still come in here and play table tennis, which is what you've been doing, isn't it, Harry? Huh?
Yep.
So here's reception.
Honey.
Which is lovely and cute. And it's got a little shop in here as well. You can buy some essential items. Hiya. Hi. There you go. Oh look, you could have got butter in here, love. Fantastic. Hiya.
Hi.
And over here,
You should see how there's been the information inside.
we've got the info hub. And look at the information in here. This is real cool. Pubs, cafes, services, cinemas, supermarkets, disco, golf, local events, and the weather.
I don't think anyone would come all this way just to look at the weather when they can.
That's incorrect. Today the weather is not sunny and 21 degrees though, Harry. What do you think?
Yeah, nah. They can just pull out their phone.
And of course, usual local leaflets to be picking up and what have you. So, hey, perfect for that. And apparently this is a fish and chip shop that opens up and sells fish and chips. Maybe we'll see that later. Like that, Russ. Easy as that.
Here we are.
Oh, what we found.
Harbour.
This is trail one.
Might
This
be.
is one of the trails they do.
Japan, bomb, US, anchor.
Yeah, harbour. Pearl Harbor.
What noise do they make?
This one's not very happy with us.
You got an itch there, buddy? They've got a zip line. We've come through the woods, out the other side, and Harry, having a go on this?
Huh?
Go and get the zip line. Down there. Yes. Harry's gonna get it. Cool?
Yeah. The amount
Russell's go.
The amount of momentum about to build up. My mum went on. You're going to shoot like a rocket.
Go, Russ. Ho, ho, ho. Just grounding out with your weight, mate.
It needs to be like that.
Okay, let's have a quick look at the facilities while we're here. Wash hand basins, toilets, urinals. I'm guessing these are your showers. There you go. Ample facilities. We've also got a bath there. Looks like that one's 50p for hot water for that. Just fancy bath. There you go. And hand wash station. Disabled. And the ladies. So there's your quick 20-second tour of the facilities. We've even got a tennis court here, look. Fantastic. And over here, the barrier works with ANPR, so that camera here picks up your number plate and automatically opens the barrier for you.
Hello. Love the blue. What beautiful colours.
We've also got pizza oven and a coffee machine outside here as well. You can imagine this place in the summer would be lovely. I mean, it's lovely right now in October, but obviously a little rainy and a little chilly, but look at it. We've got these event shelters out, little tractor there for the kids. Lovely. Right, Lindsay has cooked up a fantastic chicken and chorizo for our dinner tonight, and we are sat here around the log fire where Russell's brought this awesome burner and a trailer of logs, I must add. And
You've got them with you. You've not been out hunter-gathering for logs.
No, they've all been with us.
I love that.
See that trailer there?
I don't know if I love it or hate it. The idea of you going off and chopping down bits
A
of
trailer
trees
full of logs over there. No, he's come prepared, Russ says. So we're just sitting around the campfire here, the log burner, and enjoying some wine with a good bit of company after an awesome dinner, I must add. Thank you, sweetheart.
Thanks, Dean.
Cheers.
Come on, one more. A little bit longer rally, and I think we got it.
The campsite here have got their own Frisbee golf course. It's 18 holes and it's set into the woods. We're going to go for a little walk around. We're not actually going to do it now because it is due to tip it down even more than it is at the moment. And I've had enough muddy, soggy, wet feet for a while. But there's 3 levels of difficulty for each of the holes, and it looks quite a complicated course. Looks like a lot of fun. We'll come back and do it when it's a little bit drier, I think. Well, that was a really lovely campsite. The Cotswold View touring park. It doesn't drip off the tongue. The Cotswold View touring park is really family friendly. We've had such a lovely time there. There's a little farm where you can go and see the donkeys and sheep. We had a lot of fun this morning doing a pumpkin trail through the woods. That was a muddy, messy, kid-friendly, fabulous hour that we had wandering round. So I'm just checking with Steve as well. It was about an hour with lots of visits to the zip wire and playing on the activity. It was just lovely, really nice. There's a gorgeous cafe there. We had a nice coffee yesterday. The cakes looked amazing, but we've been away for a week and I can't eat any more nonsense. It's time to get a grip and eat fresh cooked food again. The play park was really good as well. The kids were playing until late last night in the dark. We've had a thoroughly muddy outdoor few hours and it's been superb. really lovely. Can't rate that place high enough. The details will be in the description as well, so if you want to book yourself in for next year, they actually close at the end of this week and won't open again until April the 1st, they said. So if you're interested, the link will be in the description.
Hope you guys have enjoyed our last few videos. We've shot these last few videos during the October half term with the kids while we was away. We're probably going to shoot another Q&A whilst driving home on the GoPro in a moment now. And we're hoping that's a good format. So if you've got any further questions, we'll do a few more of them Q&As. And we hope to do a live real soon. I know a lot of you are asking for a live, so we hope we're going to do a live real soon, but go gentle with us.
We really hope you've enjoyed coming on this wet and muddy weekend with us. Hope to see you soon. Let's go.
I told you! The trees! Come here! Here!
How is it?
Oh look! Hey, look there! There's my shoes there! There's nothing quite like a warm witch's pool.
Find a cauldron and you'll get to the next small clue.
Tea! Tea!
Are we seriously putting the answers up?
So I think we found a little bit of a wrong one, but I'm pretty sure there's a park up there, and the clue was where you may go to have fun. No,